the non-UI report, and then we'll go through the Confluence where we have all the detail for non-UI. Because yesterday I have covered all the topics, so it will be very quick. So we'll try to complete in next 15 minutes. Okay. So let me share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, Payal.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Just a moment. My Outlook is not responding. Okay. So are you able to see my screen? I just shared again.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll see like how to check the non-UI report and how we can find the exact failure detail using the non-UI report. So when you trigger the report from the TB executor, when you click on the send to Jenkins button, first you will get the start email. Okay. So whenever you get the start email, you will get to know the environment where you have triggered. So in the subject line only, you will get the environment detail. If you have triggered for the SIT03 RAD environments, you will get this environment detail here. Okay. And once the execution is completed, you will get the end email. Okay. And there also your environment name will be mentioned in the subject line. So you need to copy this report link. Okay. Under this report, we have the extend report. Click on the report.html. You will get this detail. Like if you have run the one test case, you will get the feature name and that particular test case, test set ID and the X-ray test ID for that particular feature. Okay. So this is the scenario which you have run, and when you check this detail, you see that this is failed due to this gateway exception. So nowadays, like I am getting continuous ping, like my SANET is failing due to this issue. So whenever you are getting this gateway exception error while registering container null, that means your environment is not up. So that's why you are getting this error. So make sure while running the non-UI test cases, kindly check whether your environment is up or not. If any test case is failing at the registration step due to the error while registering container null, that means your environment is not up, and you need to run this test case again once your environment is up. Okay. Let me open some another report. Here I have executed this test case and it is failed at this opcode UA001 with this error code COD02. If you have to check the exact response for the UA001, just copy this error line, okay, and go to the log.txt for that report. So here you will able to see the log.txt. Just open this log.txt and search for this error. So you will get the detail for that UA00 opcode response. Okay. So this is the UA00 opcode and you will get the JSON response. So here everything will be there like op message and op status, error code, everything will be there. If you are running any test cases, like if you are running the SPR01 related test cases, so you will get to know the what is your HTTP status, if it is 500. So that all the detail will be displayed in the log.txt. If you have to find the actual failure reason, so you need to share the COSAP log with your gateway developer with your time and the mobile number. Okay. So anyone have any doubt in this, like how to check the non-UI log.txt file with error code? Okay, I will consider as a no. Then next is like I'm going to share some Confluence detail with you. So uh, here you will have all the detail, like whatever the session which we have take, like how to create a non-UI script, then how you can capture the journey, and how to run using the TB executor. So for all this, we have this video in this particular page. So you have to open this link, go to testing. Here you have to go under the non-UI section. If you go to the automation section, you will get the automation related, UI automation related video. If you go to the non-UI, you will get the overview of non-UI, then how to capture the non-UI journey using the O activity log for AWS and WAS environment. For both environment you will have. Okay, so you will get this video. This is the old video, so do not refer to this journey video. You have to refer this journey video only, because now we are not using the TBA gateway guide. We are capturing the opcode using the O activity log only. Okay, so you need to refer this video for the activity log. Next is how you can how you have to prepare the feature file for the non-UI. So this is the scripting related video, so you can watch it. And the last video is for the TBA execution for non-UI. Okay, so you will get all this detail here. And if you don't have access to uh, uh, watch this video, you have to check with the Danny Carroll. Okay, so I will share all this detail with you. Okay, next is if you have to capture the journey. So we have this Confluence created where like for each step we have written like what you have to do. So this Confluence also will share with you. Okay, this is the main Confluence for the non-UI testing. Under this Confluence, you will have all the sub-Confluence detail here. Okay, so in here, if you go, if you have to set up the TBA framework in the local, so there also like whatever the for what group you need to raise access, then what are the VM arguments you need to provide. So all this detail you will get it from this master page. And here you will have the all checklist detail, like so these are the non-UI steps, like if you have the TR generation code as a part of your PWR, so what step you need to write it. So all this detail you will find it in this particular page. Okay, also there are some yeah, so this is the RCA page. Like we have couple of issues like commonly which we used to find in the release. So what we used to do, like we used to keep maintaining this page. In this RCA page, if any feature is failing due to that issue, so we used to write the RCA. So you can check this page if you found the similar kind of error. So you can check, you will get the resolution in this page also. Okay, so you can refer for the non-UI common issues. Also, as discussed yesterday, this is the non-UI guideline page. So whenever you are going to hand over any new non-UI script, so make sure you visit this non-UI guideline page. Make sure you provide the journey file for each of the test cases. Also, any test case is getting refactored as a part of your PWR. So make sure you provide the journey test case for refactor cases as well. Also, if you have the gateway changes only for your feature, so how you have to provide the non-UI script. So kindly go through this detail. If you have API changes, like what all detail you need to provide. Also, one more thing is there, like whenever there is any API or gateway changes there, so make sure like a tester should read the LLD, so they will get to know all detail about their API or opcode being called as a part of their PWR. Here is like how you can check the non-UI execution, like when you got any report, how you can check the detail and how to find the error code and for the for that error code, how you can find the response and what response you can get it, you can find it in this particular log.txt. So for all this we have KT page created. So I will share this detail with you. Yeah. So thank you. Anyone have any doubt related to non-UI, so they can drop an email to TB. Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts regarding non-UI? Okay, I will consider as a no. I will share all this detail with you guys.